Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Indian Tech Tips. The PC is a device that can multitask. It is capable of running games while few programs are running in the background. But have you ever wondered what makes it possible? The ability to run stutter-free and lag-free games, or wonder how you might be able to open multiple Chrome tabs? Don't worry. In this video, we'll learn about a component which is responsible for everything. RAM or random access memory. So let's get started. RAM, widely known as random access memory, is the hardware in a PC where the operating system, application programs, and data in the current use are kept, so that they can be quickly reached by the device processor. RAM is the main memory in a computer and is faster than the other storage devices like hard disk or an SSD. As the name suggests, random access memory is volatile. This means that data is retained in RAM as long as the computer is turned on, but the data is lost when it is turned off. Now that we know what a RAM is, let's know about its functioning. Because of its volatility, RAM can't store permanent data. It can be compared to a person's short-term memory and a hard disk to a person's long-term memory. Short-term memory is focused on immediate work, but it can keep only a limited number of facts and can view them one at a time. When a person's short-term memory fills up, it can be refreshed with facts in a brain's long-term memory. A computer also works this way. If RAM fills up, the computer's processor must repeatedly go to the hard disk to overlay the old data in the RAM with new data. This process slows down the computer operation. A computer's hard disk can become completely full of data and unable to take any more. But RAM won't run out of memory. However, the combination of RAM and storage can be completely used up. So, a new question arises. How much RAM do you actually need? The amount of RAM needed all depends on what the user is doing. When video editing, for example, it's recommended that a system has at least 16 GB of RAM, though 32 GB is more desirable. For photo editing, Photoshop recommends a system to have at least 3 GB of RAM. However, if you're working with other workloads, 8 GB is more than enough. Even for gaming, 8 GB is more than enough to run modern AAA titles at 60 FPS. We'll discuss more about RAM in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like my work, then please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel and are interested in tech content, then please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you.